What would happen if the United States invaded Russia right now? With thousands of tanks and troops, the consequences would be devastating on a global scale. NATO would quickly advance through Belarus, and explosions at Russian military bases caused by US bombers would signal the beginning of the invasion. Within hours, Russian forces would counterattack with hypersonic missiles, striking NATO air bases in Poland and Germany, crippling their operations. Moscow would order a full mobilization, and 1 million Russian soldiers would prepare to defend their homeland. China would watch the situation closely, knowing that if Russia falls, it could be the next target. Beijing would mobilize its navy in the Pacific, warning the US to back down while concentrating troops near Taiwan, ready to take advantage of any distraction on the US's part. North Korea would seize the opportunity and launch ballistic missiles over Japan, challenging the West to respond. India, unsure whether to remain neutral or prepare for war, would strengthen its borders. In the Middle East, Iran would seize US bases in Iraq, and Israel would launch preemptive strikes to prevent a regional escalation. Saudi Arabia, fearing its oil fields would be targeted next, would mobilize its air force. The global economy would collapse, stock markets would crash, and food shortages would spread. The world would plunge into panic. Faced with the Russian threat to use its entire nuclear arsenal if the US did not agree to a ceasefire, the fate of humanity would hang in the balance, waiting to see if the US would press forward or step back in the face of mutually assured destruction.